Welcome to Kunye 2026 in Kenya. It happened at Uhuru Gardens. Excuse me, that is in Langata, or on your way to Wilson Airport, past Wilson Airport. So the event already started, and you can see people taking pictures. There is music, and now there's an entry and the start. The event was so organized, the security was so tight, no major incident that happened. Here comes Kunye 2026, and let's start the concert. The party starts right now. Here comes the goat himself, DJ Maforisa. So he's warming up, he's giving us that energy, and we love him. He's the god of amapiano. As you can see, the crowd so huge. It's a big crowd. The energy is totally different, and everyone is liking everything. And we're all enjoying the vibe. Maforisa doing his thing. There he goes, Maforisa. It entails South African DJs, Kenyan DJs, and different artists. There you go, the crowd was going crazy. Maforisa was doing his thing. Maforisa, he will never disappoint you. Never. He has never disappointed his crowd. He's the goat of amapiano. I love the way he mixes. Maforisa is something else. Especially watching him live and making the crowd go crazy. It is such an experience I'll never forget. Here comes Ape Drums, another crazy DJ. He knows how to move the crowd, make the crowd calm, make the crowd go wild. He knows how to blend with Kenyan music. He knows how to do everything. He's so perfect, by the way. He's not so good with amapiano, but he's good with gqom and other good music, Afro house and everything. There you go, that's what I was telling you. This now, Kenyan music. As you can see, we had a big crowd, and the rain started raining, and we were waiting for Shimza, and finally Shimza was on the stage. He was our main host, or this was the climax, or the DJ we were waiting for, Shimza himself from South Africa. And he was warming up his people, the crowd, and now you can see the crowd is going wild, and despite the rain, nothing stopped the event. You can see the crowd can tell you, the energy can tell you, the vibe here was on another level. So Kunye 2026, it's really unforgettable. Despite the harsh weather, the cold weather, the rainy season, nothing stopped Kunye and Shimza himself. There you go, Shimza. Shimza is full of energy. He's so lively. I really like everything about him. So lively. So you can see everyone in the rain, everyone enjoying. It's so Kenyan thing, sharing drinks. So don't be surprised. A random guy or a lady will give you a drink. Just passing the energy. This is fun. Playing with rain, playing with mud. Reminds you of your childhood. Guys, if you're not here, you really missed out a lot. I tell you, no dull moment with Shimza. Shimza can mix anything as long as it's Afro house. He'll mix everything. Oh, I love this. I love this. He's a genius on this. I'm telling you, Shimza, he's full of energy. He's a genius when it comes to music. Well, I think he is also the owner of Kunye, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, he's the owner of Kunye. He's such a good DJ. He really knows how to engage his crowd in terms of singing, word by word, dancing, and everything. He knows how to keep busy, the crowd not get bored, engaging the crowd. That's the most important thing for a DJ. Guys, now this was the climax. Fi Shimza. He's the producer for this song, and he's also the DJ. It is so mind blowing, it's so crazy seeing him mixing his own music and seeing him live. So guys, if you never attended this event, you missed out a lot. Come next year, don't miss out. I think Shimza will still be there. So just feel, enjoy, and see how he is engaging himself with the crowd. He's really enjoying everything. Next time, we don't need those dormant ladies behind you or behind the DJs. We want an active crowd like the crowd we are having just out here. The backstage behind Shivza, oh god, they're so dull. Those ladies out there, the whole crowd. Next time, we don't need them back there. They didn't understand the assignment. They did not. The event was good, smooth, best in the world. We enjoyed, but now this was the saddest moment we had and the saddest feeling. We were coming to the end of the show. Come on, Shimza. Come on, you can do that to us. We couldn't get enough of Shimza. We couldn't. The crowd wanted more and more and more of Shimza's music till morning. He did it again. So the show is over. We couldn't get enough of it. So see you in the next one. I'll keep you updated and posted for more events. Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Cheers, guys.